Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add picture in Animoto. Adding picture is one of the easiest way to make your video more engaging, and in Animoto you can upload your own photos or choose images from the built-in library. And in this video I will show you step by step how to add a picture in Animoto. So first you need to open to the Animoto account and make sure you have logged in to your Animoto account. And if you do not have Animoto, you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and you can download it from there as well. And over here from the dashboard we could see you need to select my videos in the bottom left, and you can select one of the videos, but if you want to add any templates you can go templates on the bottom plus icon. Here you can select any of the square, landscape or vertical, as I'm going to select the square. So over here this automatically opens up the camera roll on the bottom. There's your camera roll. What you can do is you need to select one of the camera roll picture, and after you're done, select done on the top right. And if you do not have a picture already, Animoto also offers a built-in image library. Simply search for a keyword that says stock just beside the camera roll. And here you can find unlimited picture from the Animoto as well. And after adding the picture, you can adjust how it appears and you can edit on the bottom. And that is how you add a picture in Animoto, just a few clicks. Then you can bring your video to life using images. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion adding a picture in Animoto, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.